Your wait ends now. Just like everyone, you must have a desire to learn how you can make actual income. You must have seen everyone promises to help you earn. But, at the end, you find that you have actually been fooled. But, we will help you with 7 steps that will help you make an income source. So, now you might be eager to know the 7 steps. Let's start. Step 1. You need a desktop or laptop. Step 2. You need access to internet. Step 3. Visit site www.abhigyans.com. The link is provided in the description. Step 4. Click on Get Started Now button provided in the website and follow the process. Step 5. Select a suitable package. Step 6. Follow the simple steps provided. Step 7. Join and start earning even the same day. Yes, you can even see you're earning the same day itself. Isn't it worth a trial? But, for that you must follow the process provided and work accordingly. Also, comment below with done if you have followed the 7 steps and started, also subscribed the channel, clicked on thumbs up and the bell icon. You will be eligible for gift using which you can increase your income further.